COVID-19 pandemic changed how people look at their homes and how much they invest in them. With people spending more time at home, it wasn't just the need to set up home offices that drove furniture demand, but the need for a more comfortable zone. Even as normalcy returns and more people head back to office, home furnishing continues to be a hot space, attracting new players like H&M and Marks Spencer.
All what we have picked up during the pandemic in terms of the space, how we have redefined the home space completely, will continue to stay with us for in the normal states as well now. So we definitely see that the need, the opportunities will only further continue to increase and evolve with the changing times. Because we also see that there is a hybrid model of work that's happening.
In India, we see some fantastic opportunity in terms of growth. Post the pandemic, where people have spent a lot of time in their homes, they're really wanting to upgrade their homes and making sure it really reflects their personal style. But secondly, also, as people start to have a higher level of disposable income, they look to really invest in their homes.
Managing consulting firm REDSEER expects the furniture space to quadruple by FY26 from the $1 billion mark hit in FY21. It expects a large part of this to be fueled by D2C brands that have a robust online presence. This also explains why companies like Asian Paints, IKEA, WAKEFIT and Wooden Street are keen on enlarging their foothold in this high-margin segment.
We are quite optimistic that this is going to grow over 30-40% year on year, largely because it's very underpenetrated. I mean, if you look at it, overall for the large goods industry, it's only 20% organized, so 80% still unorganized. I think at a gross level, when players are making about 40-50% margins, it's almost, there's enough space to disrupt. I think we have seen it in beauty category evolving in a way wherein a lot of D2C brands have come up.
Companies are also betting on the revival in residential real estate sector, and the new homeowners need to do up their home to continue driving business. And they're betting on pricing and sustainable products to set themselves apart. But the space is getting competitive fast, and experts say a comfortable run will depend largely on how brands differentiate, how they leverage the online and offline market, and how well they manage to build scale beyond the metros. In Mumbai, Shilpa Ranipeta.